Beneath the towering glaciers of Greenland lies a world that few have ever seen. A hidden kingdom of ice, where time stands still and nature sculpts breathtaking frozen cathedrals. But what if we told you that today you could see it for yourself, through the eyes of a drone? Join us as we take you on an unforgettable journey into Greenland's hidden ice caves. A mesmerizing world of frozen tunnels, crystal blue caverns, and ancient secrets buried beneath the ice. This is Greenland like you've never seen before. Greenland's ice caves, a hidden world beneath the surface. Greenland is home to some of the most spectacular ice caves on Earth. These hidden tunnels, carved by melting glacial water, form a breathtaking labyrinth beneath the ice sheet. But few ever get to witness their beauty until now. What makes these ice caves so special? Ever-changing beauty. Ice caves are temporary wonders, reshaped every year by nature. Deep blue ice. The incredible blue color comes from compressed ice, absorbing all colors except blue. Ancient ice. Some formations are thousands of years old, preserving a frozen history of Earth's climate. These caves are not just frozen landscapes, they are time capsules, preserving secrets of Earth's past. But how do these magical ice caves form? The answer lies in the way Greenland's glaciers interact with the seasons. The science behind ice caves. Meltwater rivers. During summer, surface meltwater finds cracks and carves tunnels through the glacier, refreezing and erosion. As winter sets in, these tunnels freeze over again, creating stunning formations. Constant change. No ice cave is permanent. The same cave you see today could be gone next year. That's why exploring ice caves is so dangerous. Shifting ice, hidden crevasses, and sudden collapses make it a challenge even for the most experienced adventurers. But thanks to drone technology, we can now explore these incredible places safely without stepping foot inside. The drone's journey, capturing the ice caves like never before. Scene: a cinematic montage of the drone navigating through narrow ice tunnels, capturing never-before-seen angles. Flying a drone inside an ice cave is no easy task. Tight spaces, low light, and unpredictable winds make navigation a challenge. But with state-of-the-art technology, we can now capture these hidden worlds in stunning detail. Why drones are changing the game. Unparalleled access. Fly through tight tunnels where humans can't reach. Wider perspective. Capture the full scale of ice formations from above. Safety first. Explore dangerous terrain without human risk. What we are witnessing is not just a frozen wonderland, it's a disappearing world. Greenland's ice caves are melting faster than ever, and we may be among the last generations to see them. As temperatures rise, Greenland's glaciers are melting at an unprecedented rate. Scientists warn that if current trends continue, these ice caves, along with much of the Arctic, could vanish within our lifetime. What's happening? Climate change acceleration. Rising global temperatures are speeding up glacier melt. Sea level rise. Greenland's ice sheet holds enough water to raise sea levels worldwide. Disappearing caves. With each passing year, more of these hidden wonders are lost forever. Today we explore these caves not just to marvel at their beauty, but to document and preserve a world that may soon be gone. We have seen the beauty of Greenland's ice caves, but also their fragility. These frozen giants have stood for thousands of years, yet they may not survive the next century. What can you do? Raise awareness. Share this video to help more people understand Greenland's disappearing wonders. Support climate science. Learn about organizations working to study and protect the Arctic. Reduce your carbon footprint. Every action counts in slowing down climate change. What do you think? Will future generations still get to witness Greenland's ice caves? Let us know in the comments. Like if you were amazed by these ice caves. Subscribe for more breathtaking drone explorations. The world's frozen wonders are melting fast, but together we can still make a difference.